Hello beauty squad, it's your girl Tanya aka TeeTee. Welcome back to my channel of all things life, love, and beauty. I hope you guys are staying warm. It's raining here in LA. It's been raining really for the last 2 or 3 days. Probably the most rain we've got in a very long time. But staying indoors, filming, playing, testing, and makeup, because that's just what I love to do. Today I'm bringing you another review. Thank you for the love on my Pat McGrath concealer review, and I will have a follow-up to that too, because still using that concealer and it is still the bomb. But today I'm going to be reviewing the new Anastasia Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. I don't know about you, but I am a huge mascara junkie. I love mascara, especially for those days that I don't wear mascara. I like really expensive mascara, and then, you know, something in the middle. Then there's always good old Maybelline, you know, the pink one with the green top. That never goes out. But I love mascara, so I was excited to try this. And we're also going to do a comparison up against the Fenty Full Frontal mascara. So we're going to try both of these today and see how they work, and then compare them to some of the million of other mascaras that I have and that I love. So before we get into that, you're already here at my channel. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. But don't forget to subscribe. You're already here. So just subscribe. Hit the little bell so you know when my videos have been uploaded. So let's get into this review of the new mascara from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Stay tuned. So as you see, I already have my face done. The only thing I need to do really is mascara. So let's just read up on these mascaras before we just dive right in. So Anastasia, the Lash Brag Volumizing Mascara. So it says that it lets you achieve maximum lash volume and fullness you can't stop bragging about. This voluminous mascara instantly creates the look of dramatic full-bodied lashes with intense jet black color. The specially designed hourglass-shaped mascara wand separately coats each lash with the Lush full pigments formula that glides on without weighing down lashes. Okay. All right. That sounds good enough for me. Now, let's see what we got about Fenty. And the name of this one is Cause I'm Black. So cute. So this Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara, the ultimate do-it-all mascara designed for a fully exposed lash look, featuring an exclusive flat to fat brush that instantly volumizes, lifts, lengthens, and curls. Okay. Get full-on lashes like never before with Full Frontal Volume Lift and Curl Mascara. Designed to deliver Rihanna's full lash look, Full Frontal's do-it-all formula is clinically proven to volumize, lengthen, lift, and curl lashes, exposing every little lash with eye-opening definition. Okay, lightweight, ultra-black formula was specifically paired with an exclusive flat-to-fat brush. Okay, the fat side holds max product to quickly load and lift lashes. The flat side defines and curls. And thanks to the round pointed tip, you can load up and reveal every little lash you never knew you had. We're talking flat to fat, just like that. Okay, that's cute. So my lashes are actually really curly. They're short, but curly. So anything that volumizes is always good to me. So let's just kind of look at them side by side here. And I know there was some chatter, you know, that they look alike, but you know, all these things take years and years, you know, to bring to life. So you know, you can't. This is heavy though. This Lash Brag from Anastasia, this thing has some weight to it. It's 0.34 fluid ounces of product, and the Fenty is 0.42, and it's much lighter. So this is heavy and this is light. So let's look at these wands. Both with, I like, you know, the packaging is similar. I like the packaging. So I love nice, sleek, you know, packaging. So I'm really feeling the packaging here. So, ooh, I see. I see. Okay, so here we have a full brush here with the Anastasia. And then we have the flat end here of the Anastasia. And that's the fat, I'm sorry, of the Fenty. And this is the fat end. Wow. Big difference. Okay. So we're going to do this eye with Fenty and this eye with Anastasia. So let's just go in, y'all. All right, let's see. Let's go with the Anastasia first here. Let's just grab a quick little compact here and see how this is going to hold up here. So we're going to, no primer, nothing on my eyes other than, you know, my eyeshadow. So let's just see, you know, how we're going to, I got some gray eyelashes in here, y'all. So don't talk about me. Okay. 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 Not bad. Let's move you guys in a little more. Okay. You guys are close. You're like in my soul. Okay. So, and let's just go with the bottom here. Easy to apply. I'm going to actually apply a couple of coats and let's just see how we look here. It actually is nice so far. The Fat Wand reminds me a little bit of the Better Than Sex mascara, which I didn't like that mascara. And I think I said it here on my channel. I did not like that one. Okay. What you think? Not bad. Not bad. Okay. Fallout. Okay. Okay. Not bad. Kind of woke up those lower lashes there. Okay. That's the Anastasia. So let's go on with the Fenty on the right eye. So let's go flat side first and then we'll go fat. Okay. We're trying this together. All right, let's see. It's like when you're putting on mascara, you're trying like not to breathe, right? You're like, oh my God, because the moment you sneeze, everything is done with. Everything is over. Okay. Okay. And of course I messed up my eyeshadow because, okay, I got it. Catch it before it dries. And so let's try the fat end on the bottom here, on these bottom lashes that need a lot of work. Let's add another coat here. This Fenty one is concerning me a little bit here. Interesting. Let's try the fat side on top. See if that kind of wakes them up, you know, just a little more. I don't know, y'all. Okay. I don't know about this Fenty one. It's I don't, lashes. And I just keep layering it on, right? Okay. When you look at the two, they're definitely very different. I can definitely see that this here, with just what a really good coat, really coating it, my lashes stand out a little more on the Anastasia side versus over here on the Fenty side. It's okay. Let's try another coat. Let's just try another coat. Oh geez. Okay, let's just see. Okay. Well, you know, I'll say at first glance, definitely the Fenty one. I don't know. I think the Anastasia one I think that eye just has more volume going for it. I'm just looking at another mirror over here, and I'm just kind of like, I don't know, y'all. I don't know. Damn it. Okay. Okay. Let's do some comparisons. So, other mascaras, let me move y'all back out of my soul. Okay, so in comparison to other mascaras that I love, and like I said, I love mascara. I love the Bad Gal mascara from Benefit, which has this interesting, this just well-rounded, you know, wand there. I mean, this just bomb. This is brand new. I haven't even, you know, used this one yet. I've gone through a few of these, probably 2 or 3 of these. I love that one. I love the MAC Gigabyte. This one has a really, really tiny wand here that kind of gets those lower lash lines, gets the lower lash line and wakes it up a bit. There's the NYX, you know, what is this, the Worth the Hype. Love this. Probably the most affordable mascara that I have here is this one. It might be 10 or 12 bucks. And then there's my Chanel, and this is a volume 1 too. And I'll say, you know, that this one, let's compare this one to Anastasia. You know, they're different. This is a kind of a shorter, fat one, you know, kind of deal. This one just reminds me of the Better Than Sex. This is the Anastasia mascara. It reminds me of Better Than Sex from Too Faced. This one here from Chanel, it's just a short, you know, fat one, but it's volumizing, and I absolutely love this one. So this one was definitely, and this one's almost gone, so I'm going to buy another one because this is a splurge, you know, and this is probably a $40 mascara. But, you know, I'm going to say between the two, you know, I'd have to give Fenty a few more wears, more tries before I actually say yay or nay to it. As of right now, I'm really feeling the Anastasia one, and I like this one. I like the way it gave my little lashes more volume, definitely, than the Fenty one did. That's for sure. And like I said, I mean, love the packaging on them both. This has got some weight to it. It's definitely heavy when you pick it up, and this one is definitely so much, you know, lighter in weight. But I like this one so far. You know, I like how it made my little lashes look. So I'm gonna give this one, I like this one, and I believe that they both retail, this one was $25, and I'm sure this is probably about the same. is probably about the same, 24 or 25 bucks. Both reasonably priced for a mascara. Lord knows I have a $40 mascara, and I also have one from Lancome, the Big Monsieur, which I haven't used that, but you know, that one's probably another, you know, $35, $38 mascara. But right now I like this one over the Fenty because it just gave my little curly lashes, you know, the volume that I like and that I was looking for. So I hope this is helpful. I do. I'm leaning more towards the Lash Brag from Anastasia more so than I am the Fenty. The Fenty is not bad. It's just, to me, it's not, it just didn't wake my lashes up like the Anastasia did, which again is reminiscent of my Chanel and even my Bad Gal mascara here. So let me know what you guys think. I think the Anastasia one is definitely, you know, worth picking up for sure. So let me know if you're going to grab it. Comment below, thumbs up, thumbs down. And until next time, your girl TeeTee is out. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.